Ever wish you could split your Amazon purchases into manageable payments with Afterpay? While Amazon doesn't directly accept Afterpay, there's a clever workaround that lets you enjoy those installment payments for your Amazon shopping sprees. Step 1. You'll need to use Afterpay at retailers that do accept it and sell Amazon gift cards. Think of stores like Walmart, Target, or Best Buy. Many of these offer physical or digital Amazon gift cards and, crucially, allow you to pay for them with Afterpay. So, navigate to one of these participating retailers, either in-store or on their website. Browse their selection of Amazon gift cards and choose a denomination that fits your budget and desired Amazon purchase. At the point of sale, when you're ready to pay, simply select Afterpay as your payment method on your phone. Follow the prompts within the Afterpay app to complete the purchase of your Amazon gift card using your chosen installment plan. Once you've successfully purchased your Amazon gift card with Afterpay, you'll receive the gift card code, usually via email or directly within the retailer's app. Now, head over to Amazon. Log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Redeem a Gift Card section. Carefully enter the gift card code you received. Voila! The value of your Amazon gift card will now be added to your Amazon account balance. When you're ready to make your actual Amazon purchase, simply proceed to checkout. As usual, Amazon will automatically apply your available gift card balance to the total cost of your order. And there you have it. You've effectively used Afterpay's installment payment feature to fund your Amazon shopping, all while keeping your budget in check. Happy shopping!